As the morning light casts a warm glow in the sky, I pour 2 cups of coffee, one for my wife Cynthia, the other for me. Then each of us settles into our favorite comfortable chairs in the family room and we begin our day together. That's every day. Cynthia and I have spent time connecting every morning throughout our marriage, wherever we are, mainly just to be with each other. The result is an unbreakable bond and a depth of love that only comes from spending time together morning after morning, year after year.
From Chuck Swindoll, Good Morning, Lord, Can We Talk? A year of scriptural meditations.
Just as Cynthia and I have set aside time to be together each morning, we've done the same with the Lord. I hope you will too, throughout the pages of this book.
Let Chuck Swindoll guide you into a deeper walk with God through this brand new year-long daily devotional. Good Morning, Lord, Can We Talk? Is available now on Tyndale.com and wherever books are sold.